One, two. I'm gonna break it. Open the door. Open it. Last warning.
Can you tell where this guy is from just by looking? Windows up, you definitely can't hear an accent. No idea how they pegged him as an illegal immigrant. This setup is absolutely crazy. Just to catch one illegal immigrant, they deployed over 20 officers. Our dearest border patrol is truly famous in Minnesota. They figured out a new trick to catch people. At gas stations, once you pull in, you're totally done for. The guy was subdued very quickly. We noticed that many bystanders were taking photos with phones and cameras. This actually looks like the familiar America. They won't stop you. Don't know how they identified a suspected illegal immigrant. He was immediately detained. We can see that holding a camera is actually the safest thing right now, because usually you're assumed to be a reporter. This gives illegal immigrants in Minnesota an idea. Scared of getting caught? Carry a camera. When they see people actively taking photos, they actually think you're just press. These two guys are so close and they're fine.
Stay back! What did he do?
This is another team of inspectors checking at a gas station.
You say darkness. I don't have to show you. How do I know you're a citizen? If you look two ways, I can take you.
Seeing ICE's enforcement style feels like the usual US police are way too civilized.
Where were you? Are you a citizen or you got naturalized? You're naturalized? What year?
A large crowd gathered instantly. It seems the crowd doesn't like these officers.
Get the out of our city! I'm not gonna get out of your city, number one. Yes, get the out! Yes, you clearly. Oh, what does that say? Border Patrol. Yeah, you're a Nazi. You work for the orange fascist and cheat. Yeah. Get the out of our city, you Nazi piece of. Number one, I'm not gonna get out of your city because I live here. Oh, you want me to? You want me to? Okay, good for you. Good for you. You want to make lampshades?
These law enforcement officers are still acting quite normal. Even with locals cursing at them, they stayed rational. Unable to withstand the pressure, they silently retreated.